Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Renault Trafic 2017-18 model Trafic 3. Have a look what happened on the dashboard. I'll start the car. You can hear beep beep, engine failure hazard, stop light on and the spanner light on. So around Feb this year, he cleaned the DPF. Then after 2.5 months, 3 months, it came back and he done the job same again. Then after that, now August, then light came back again. Then he need a permanent answer for this one. First of all, like this problem, we can't assume in and work. I know it's something related to the DPF. We'll see. I got the already DPF pressure. You can see while it's idle, DPF pressure 24 HPA. While I rave to RPM 2000, around 90. Yeah, basically little bit high. We know that one because that's why the light all illuminate. Right, I'll go back and read DTC and engine management. You can see 200292 particular filter clog. This is the very important faulty code 253F29 engine oil dilution impossible signal. Right, okay, I'll talk you in a minute what is that problem. And the next one 200291 particular filter value outside tolerance. Right, this is the three faulty code at the moment we has. I'm going to switch off the car. So most time oil dilution problem because of the customer usage. Really, I can say this car most time use local journeys less than 30 miles speed, maybe 5-10 miles, switch off the car, do one job and again another 5-10 miles. Yeah, that's the thing. Because normally if you using your car for a less than 30 miles speed local journeys, door to door doing your job, it's dump too much diesel into the oil system. That's why oil dilution basically your oil level too much high. Once it identify the two dilution, then your regen process will permanent disable. Then after that you ending with block DPF like this problem. First of all, we need to maintain and we need to manage oil dilution problem. Then after that DPF block problem will sort out. So it could be wrong oil or could be poor driving style. I mean the poor driving style mean the local journeys, not long journeys, always go shorter journeys and no motorway drive like this problem. We can't away this problem. And also another important thing, many garages do the service, they don't care about the service light because especially this car need a service. Once you done the service, we need to feed to the onboard computer or ECU. We done the service, all fine. Otherwise, it's trigger up automatically oil dilution problem because we didn't feed to the onboard computer. Right, that's a problem for the oil dilution. However, we'll see what's going on the engine bay. Okay, we'll see the oil level. Yeah, I can see oil bit runny and yeah, diesel smell there. We'll see what's the oil level. Yeah, at the moment oil level very not very low, but however it's identified as a dilution problem. Right, next step. To be honest, I don't want to do the I will do the oil service. And next step, like this car, other most common problem, this turbo pressure supply pipe will block. I need to remove this pipe. You can see this is the turbo pressure line pipe. I need to remove here and I need to check this line. Most time it can be blocked. right? If it not block, that's fine. Then after that we need to clean the DPF and bring it back to the normal level, right? First step, change oil and oil filter. Then after that I'll check that line, is it block or not. You can use mini vac and check the is it block or not. Then after that I'll inject chemical to the DPF and I'll come back to you. Yeah, so we already removed the sensor for the turbo pressure sensor in here, and I'm going to connect there and check the pressure. And we already removed the, this is called O2 sensor, sometimes we call NOx sensor, I'm not sure exactly. I think this is the O2 sensor. Yeah, right, connect like that, and I'll check here any pressure holding. You can see no pressure hold there, right? That's mean it's fine. Yeah, that turbo pressure sensor hole or tube work nicely. Right. Okay, now off. Right, all in now. Little bit hustle. Raining, this one playing up. Yeah, all in. Yeah, that's fine. Right, after that I'm going to just couple of thread install the sensor and install the pressure sensor also. Well, for the DPF I'm going to install like that, couple of thread, right, and install the pressure sensor here and start the car. Yeah, we done the service, oil change, and inject the chemical to the sensor and check the pressure sensor for the turbo. You can see the new oil little bit lower the limit, it's here. That's way that we need to do, otherwise it's get again oil dilution code. Right, let's jump to the car and we'll see what we can do with the computer. First thing first, I am going to exit from here. Oh, actually I'm going to delete this all faulty code. First read the faulty codes, and yeah, there is a new faulty codes. Yeah, right, anyway I'm going to delete everything, clear faulty code memory. Yes, now all gone. Go to the engine control module, right, data, pressure, particular filter differential pressure. Okay, okay, at the moment 0. I'm going to start the car. Right, at the moment you can see as it is 27. I will hold the RPM 2500. And I need to wait until this pressure come down. You can see the pressure dropping down now. Now you can see it came to the correct level. Yeah, it's a good pressure. Now next step, I'm going to switch off the car and reset the value. Right, you can see while it's vehicle idle, it's 5 millibars. HPA, and while it's RPM 2500, yeah, 23, 24, right. Basically the DPF cleaning process success, right. Next step, we need to go to the special function, from exit from here, special function DPF, automatically search, adaptation after replace DPF filter, because we already clean, it's look like a new DPF. We need to do the adaptation now. Yeah, it's take a bit time. Okay, it's completed. Yeah, that's good. Then go back, go back, go back, and oil reset. I don't want to do the oil reset, we already done. Again, check any faulty codes left there for the related problem. High speed scan, one faulty code for the ABS, still two faulty code for the under engine management, particular filter, engine oil dilution, because we need to clear these two faulty codes because we already done the job. Read data and clear. Yeah, no faulty codes anymore, right. Switch off the car and start the car, hand over to car to the customer, and after 1 month period I need to call back again and have a look how is the vehicle behavior and how is the oil dilution problem. Yeah, if I get anything after month free inspection, I'll let you know. At the moment I'm happy for the job and DPF back to normal level. Thank you, see you in the next video.